Hi, this is Richard, KF5RHI. I don't do a whole lot of gear reviews, and just because I just don't. I don't have a real reason why. But when I do, it's because I found a product that I really, really like and that I want to let everybody else know about. This may not look like a whole lot to you right now, but this is a stand for a NanoVNA H4. It's 3D printed by a guy owning a shop on Etsy called Mugs 3D Design. And this is probably the slickest thing I've seen in quite a while. It fits together like so. And then I found that you got to kind of hold it like that while you're fitting your NanoVNA H4. He only does the H4 currently. And then after that, it's perfectly stable. And the clunking, the rattling you're hearing is the little storage box that comes with it. You'll get these two pieces, both sides are identical, and he'll engrave your call sign in it. So it'll be on the same both on this side and the right side. This is the notch where the drawer seats in on both sides to keep it together. And it fits very securely. It is at the perfect angle for using the NanoVNA H4. It's even got a little cutout for getting into your ports. And inside you have the little storage box, I should say. I keep the charging cable in it. And he also 3D prints these little torque knobs for putting on your pigtail, like in this case, my SMA to SO239 adapter. He's got a slot put in, so you just slide it in here like that. I found it's easier personally. Let me do it this way. You take the little plastic knob off. I get it started like that. Just get it started so you don't cross thread it. And slide through the slot. Oop, you gotta put it on the right way first. Put it in that way, and then you can, it's keyed. Probably look better on that one. So you can see where that hex head is only gonna fit in there a certain way. And then you just torque it down. And I gotta get it on there right. And then just screw it down. And it fits just like that. And then you connect your antenna up to it. And he gives you two of them, gives you one for each side. I just leave the other one off for now, and I keep it in the little storage container here, along with, as I said, these are your calibration standards, and I also keep the barrel adapter in there, and that way everything's all in one place. Let's see if I can get that out of there. Put it in like that, and it's all 3D printed. And I think the guy did a fantastic job on this. And I saw it in another YouTube video. Somebody had one, and I just went and looked. And I wondered if the guy had either an Amazon store or an Etsy store or an eBay store. And sure enough, on Etsy, he's all set up. I will post a link to his store and to this device, to this stand, in the description below. And I get nothing from this guy. I told him I was going to do this video, and I hope those of you with the NanoVNA H4 will go get you one of these, and they're very reasonably priced. And I don't think you'll find a better deal. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks Mugs 3D Design for coming up with a really cool product. And thanks for watching, y'all.